64 crayons in a box, and I don't know what I'd do if any one of them broke. But you were my favorite color. You were my favorite color. I watch a lot of basketball. You never want your team to lose, but I miss a buzzer beater. Oh, I do it for you. Oh, I do it for you. Maybe nothing was worth it in the end, so it seems. 'Cause I got stuck in my throat. I could die if you wanted me to.
Oceans between us, there's no one I'm not trying to know.
Drinks down,
My back,
open up to me.
shake up,
Grow up,
and listen to me feeling.
hiccups stuck in my throat. I wish I knew how to breathe without you. Flowers came out in February and the birds came back in March, but you were my favorite sweater. You were my favorite sweater. I might not be the smartest man, superstitious and nervous, but you were my lucky number.